Hi everyone, it's John from SwiftFox, and today I'm joined by Stephen, who is our lead AI engineer, and we're here to talk about really exciting developments in SwiftFox AI. Stephen, at SwiftFox, we pride ourselves on trying to make CRM as easy and intuitive as possible, but it is inevitable there is always going to need to be manual work done by the users, primarily all those clicks. Whether you're creating an email campaign, creating an event, setting up new plans, it's just clicks, clicks, clicks. And that obviously means time for the users. But today we want to talk about how, Stephen, that is going to be a thing of the past.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to talk about getting rid of all of that complexity through the power of agentic AI.
Agentic AI, for our users, what is it?
Essentially, agentic AI is AI that can think, plan, reason, and act on a user's behalf.
So essentially, the way I like to think of it is it's like robots, basically. You tell the robot what to do and it goes and does it.
Basically, yeah.
So then when it comes to SwiftFox and having agentic AI in SwiftFox, essentially we have a robot in there that we tell what to do, and then it goes and tells in all of our features a whole bunch of other robots, go and create this email, go and create this event, go and set up this plan, and then it comes back and does it for the user.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll show you an example. If I ask SwiftFox AI to create an email reminding members to update their personal details in the portal, use the member reminders template. Press enter. SwiftFox AI is going to take in that prompt, understand it, think about the different agents it needs to activate to take action, and very quickly, in a matter of seconds, we now have an email campaign.
So essentially, users are going from having to do things themselves to telling SwiftFox what they want to do, and SwiftFox will then go and do it.
Exactly. And we can get really complex here. I can say, create a list of people aged 25 to 35 in Vic. In a matter of seconds, our agents are going to go build this list, and done. We've got a list of people.
So when I think about common tasks in SwiftFox and then going to the more complex tasks in SwiftFox, common tasks might take a matter of minutes. More complex tasks could take 10 to 15 minutes. These are now eliminated by SwiftFox AI.
Exactly. All you have to do is express what you want the agent to do, and in a matter of seconds, it's done.
Now, when you talk about expressing what you want the agent to do, obviously you can type it. We've seen you type it. I have lengthy commutes to and from work. That's dead time. I like to make it as efficient as possible, and I've got in the habit of talking to my AI a lot, my various platforms, and so it does work while I'm commuting. We've introduced that feature in here as well.
Yeah, we do. So you can see the little voice mode button down here. If I press that, I can say, hey there, could you set the email recipients using this list? In a matter of seconds, we've got our prompt there, and our agent can then act on it.
So for users, there's a world coming where on their commute to work, they can tell SwiftFox what they want it to do. And by the time they're sitting at their desk, ready with their morning coffee, it's got it all ready for review.
Yeah, our users can now work more asynchronously. They can sort of multitask and focus on the bigger picture while the agents take care of the complex day-to-day tasks.
So as soon as this gets in the hands of our users, there's going to be an enormous amount SwiftFox AI can do itself. For things that it might not yet be supported, have the functionality supported, we're going to enable SwiftFox AI to tell you how to do it.
Yeah, exactly. SwiftFox AI is going to be able to do most things, but for the things it can't, it still knows how to do them. And it's going to be able to answer the questions and route us to our Academy videos as well. So if I just do a simple prompt like, how do I set permissions on a post? SwiftFox AI knows what we're talking about. It's pulled out some detailed information from our help guide to tell us exactly how to do that. But it's also pulled out a relevant Academy video. And if I click that link, it's taken us to the exact part in the video where we talk about setting permissions in posts. So it's even saved us 4 minutes there watching the whole video. So yeah, we've tried to sort of capture all of the high value features that our customers use. There's still a few sort of gaps there, but SwiftFox AI knows how to do those tasks. And if you have any questions, it can help you through that as well.
So Stephen, we've got an internal slogan for this project saying manual is over. And what excites me incredibly about this project for our users is that we're now moving to an era where CRM moves from being a platform that a user operates to being a platform that operates for the user. The user just tells it what to do. Where we are at the forefront is that we have an all-in-one platform. So we have your emails, your events, your lists, your text, your calls, the list goes on and on and on. All of these features are built in one platform, which creates a phenomenal opportunity now with agentic AI.
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the complexities with a lot of the other solutions is the need to have to plug in all of your external databases and external tools into your AI agent. With SwiftFox AI, all the features are already there.
We're going to be talking about this a lot over the coming months and years ahead. We can't wait to get SwiftFox AI into the hands of our users, see how you use it, and then listen to your feedback, refine, enhance, and further strengthen SwiftFox AI. Thanks very much for joining us and listening, and we'll catch you next time.